Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Street Fighter 6 on PC. First, ensure your computer meets the game's system requirements, which include a 64-bit operating system and at least 8 GB of RAM. Next, purchase and download the game from a platform like Steam. Finally, connect your preferred controller, such as a PlayStation 5 DualSense or Xbox wireless controller, for the best experience. Understanding the core controls is essential. Street Fighter 6 uses a classic 6-button layout, light, medium, and heavy attacks for both punches and kicks. Practice basic movement like walking forward and backward, jumping, and crouching. Blocking incoming attacks is crucial. Simply hold back to block standing attacks or down back for crouching attacks. Special moves are your character's unique abilities, performed with specific directional inputs and attack buttons, like a quarter-circle forward plus punch for a Hadouken. The new drive system introduces powerful mechanics such as drive impact, drive parry, and overdrive arts. Managing your drive gauge is key. Depleting it leads to a temporary burnout state, leaving you vulnerable. Consistent practice is vital for improvement. The comprehensive training mode allows you to hone your combos, practice anti-airs, and understand frame data. Engage in online matches against other players to apply your skills and adapt to different playstyles. Reviewing your replays helps you pinpoint errors and learn new strategies from your opponents.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.